Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GMAT out of this book here, the GMAT Review, the official guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You should be able to find it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 182, problem solving, number 224, I believe. 224. Let's take a look at it. See what it says. Open the book, turn to page number 183 and read the problem with me. It says that for the past n days, the average daily production at a company was 50 units. Alright, so for n days, the average was 50 units per day. Alright, so far so good. Today the production is 90 units. Alright. Today the production is 90 units. Let's see what the problem is asking. As a result of which, it raises the average to 55 units per day. Alright, so as a result of this 90 units, the new average is 55. What is the question asking? What's the value of n? Well, they want to know how many days have they been producing the average of 50 units. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Don't try to do it in a geeky, nerdy way, some kind of a sophisticated equation. There's no point to it. Look, they produced 90 units today. If the average is 55, then you subtract 55 from it, which will give you the leftover amount from today's production. Leftover amount that you can spread over the past days. Well, how many days can you spread 35 over so that each day gets an extra 5? Because the average used to be 50 units per day. Now it's 55 units per day, which means we need to spread these extra 35 units over a certain number of days so that each day gets extra 5 units. Well, that's just 7 days. 35 divided by 5 is 7. That's it. N equals 7. That's all. We're done. The answer is E. That's all. I'm not going to do it in a classical way with the setting up equation and all that. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. I'm going to explain it one more time if you like. Look, today's production was 90 units. The new average is 55. What does average mean? As I explained before in my previous clips where I solved the problem of average, average is, if you want to think of it in a simplistic term, it's a communist concept where everybody is equal. The very first time where the concept of average appeared was in a little red book. Everybody is equal, so which means everybody has to have 55 units every day. But today we have 90 units. So if you subtract 55 from it, we have 35 extra units for that we're going to spread over the previous days to raise the average from 50 to 55. Well, 35, how many days can you spread over so that each day gets an extra 5 units? Answer is 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7, that's all. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, or if you wish to buy solution manuals to any of the problems in this book, or if you wish to buy the DVDs from me, which contain the solutions to problems in this book, in any of those scenarios, if you wish to get hold of me, go to my website at www.for4gmat.com and send me an email. Alright? Thank you.